Hello guys and welcome back to the Crypto Mood. Today we are the 7th of February 2022 guys. I'm going to open this video on the S&P. I know right now everybody is absolutely bullish and enjoying this move on the upside of Bitcoin, and it's absolutely natural. However, how to put it, look at this S&P chart guys. I don't see any sign of bullishness here, and I think many people right now are just falling into one of the trickiest things that you can fall when you trade is you just let your attachment, your emotional attachment for cryptos drive you into a blind bullishness, which is hard and painful for me to watch, because if things keep going south at some point, there's gonna be some pain, and I'm not a fan of that. It brings me bad negativity and bad emotions. So right now my analysis is that I don't know if it still matters, my analysis, but right now my analysis is that the S&P is probably going to follow that trend here, as you can see that I drew a while ago here around end of January, end of December. I really wish things were not going that way, but right now I don't see any signs of real recovery at all. And unfortunately, it means that all my trades are right now short, and I don't want to post that in the member area, because if I post my short, they are very hard to execute, because you need to put your stop losses somewhere, and I don't want to give you a stop loss because it's something that really moves all the time depending on what's happening, and you might lose in the end your money. So right now I'm on the short side since nearly 2 weeks, opening and cutting shorts, and it's not easy. It's not the easiest way to deal with this market. It's very hard. It really needs a lot of training and skills, so I'm not sharing that in the member area. So you can stick to the member area if you want, or you can opt out if you feel like you don't have the patience to wait for more longs to come in the future. I don't know when. I hope soon, but it's not now. Definitely not now. So I don't know what to say, guys. I don't know if that's my analysis. I think Bitcoin right now is over that resistance too. It might go there. I don't think so, because we have this very high RSI here, and I have some other elements that I'm not sharing when I trade that tells me that this is really not a good area to get in, and that there is more downside on the daily. I don't know why everybody's like screaming this is it, because on the daily there is nothing to me that tells me this is it. On the weekly it's better, but I don't have any proof that this is really recovering now. The weekly is much better, definitely. The monthly sucks big time. We can watch the monthly again together. The monthly really sucks. And yes, we were all following the stock to flow models. That was one of my mistakes during this bull market. And these are the free bull markets here. Oh, you don't see them. Oops. Wait a second. I need to show you that. How can I do? Well, you see it on the RSI. These are the free bull markets, guys. And it's obvious. The third one came to an end to me. And it needs to retrace down here in order to really bounce. So this means we could potentially, in fact, drop again to 30K and even lower to really make sure we crushed everybody. So I'm not a fan. I'm just trading. I love cryptos. I love Bitcoin. I love the freedom it brings. I believe in it 100%. But I'm not a fan. Fan is someone that follows something or an idea blindly because of some affective attachment. And I'm not a fan. And pretty sure right now 90% of people trading on the market are fans, and that makes it harsh. That makes it a very harsh mission to share analysis publicly, because when you are on the right side of the fandom, it's fine. When you don't, people just don't believe in it, or they just question you, or they just don't trust you anymore, or whatever. I posted on the Telegram group the Michael channel that has like 300K subs, and he's just quitting because he has enough. Because when things go south, people just don't accept it, and they want to believe in the narrative that is going up, and that it's really a trend in modern society that if you have an idea that doesn't match your opinion, you are going to crush it and do anything in your power to suppress it. Whatever. I didn't get anything like that because I have a good community of educated people. You guys are quite educated. But there is some BS right now, and I don't want to take part of it because it's going to be sad in the end. And I don't have the truth. I could be wrong. But if I'm wrong, I'm gonna get the I told you so, I told you so, I told you so. I don't like the people saying that kind of stuff. It's a beginner thing. I mean, we have all to stay modest at some point. We are not here to prove our points, and it's not a competition. We are all small traders. We are not whales, so we are not competing against each other. Right, so that's my analysis. I think I'm gonna have a break. Also, I think I'm gonna have a break because I need to focus on my trades, because it's really hard to trade this period. And like I told you, I'm mostly doing shorts. So I don't think like this is gonna work with the audience I have here. And it's not just that. I mean, I know you kind of get my point, and you probably now are thinking, but the shorts are absolutely hard to execute. It's the same as leverage. If you don't execute it properly, you get wrecked very easily. So I just keep it for myself. I shared a few there in the comment in the member area. But sometimes they are successful, sometimes not. But we have to compensate with more winners than losers. That's how it works. But this is really, 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 really hard to do. So I hope you guys forgive me. I'm not quitting. I'm just, for now, doing a break before things get really obviously better. I'm here, guys. If you want to talk, chat, or everything, just leave it in the comment section. Leave some likes to the video if you appreciate it. But I'm just honest, guys. I don't believe that we are right now going on the upside. And I think that's not popular to share. And it's my first time since I started the channel that I have to say this kind of stuff, and the first time that I see the reactions. So it's not pleasant for me. I'm not doing any money with the channel, really barely nothing. So it's just for sharing and for building a community. And right now it's just messing up with my own trades. So that's also why I need to focus on my own trades. And when there's gonna be some longs, to do, when I feel like this is really the right time to long again the market, count on me if you're still there. Guys, take care. I see you in a while. I don't know when. I resume pretty soon. Bye bye. Bye bye.